Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we will talk how to cancel wall pilots subscription. Okay, so first of all you need to type this term like wall pilots cancel subscription, and then you will see this kind of result like our cancellation policy. Okay, so you should read their cancellation policy before cancellation. Okay, so the method is very easy. You just need to simply write an email. The email format you can see, this is an example. You can modify it according to your need. Okay, and you just need to simply provide each and everything related to your subscription details, and make sure when you cancel your subscription they will not issue any kind of refunds for cancellation, because as you know they have provided their you can like services in the digital form. Okay, so that's why they are not providing any kind of refunds when you try to cancel your subscription. And once your email is done, in the end of the email you need to ask a proof of cancellation in the written form at your email id. Okay, and once you done this thing, once your email is complete, don't forget to ask a proof of cancellation. Until you don't get any proof of cancellation, it means your subscription is still active and they may be charged on your account. Okay, so once you done this email, you need to copy the email and you need to send the email at their email address, that is like support@wallpilots.com, and all the information, all the policies available on this page you can read. You must read before cancellation. Okay, so this is the thing. Now if you have any other questions you can make a comment. I will reply you very soon, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye, take care, see you soon in the next video.